fine. Don't worry about it.
Which one?
We're in this one now. Yep.
Oh god.
Don't. Give me the fucking mop. Alright, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's completely cool. Nothing happened. Oh shit, she's just bleeding all. That's the right. Oh. Oh. Did you pick up something? I heard that.
Mm-mm.
Jingle. Fuck!
Oh!
I thought it would be right there when you opened it. Oh god.
You ready for this shit? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sai, get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up there! Get up there! Go, bitch! Go, bitch! Go, bitch!
I'm lagging.
So am I.
Like this whole part right here was just lag.
Okay.
Dude, what the hell? How's he getting up here?
Just go.
I can't. I'm lagging. Oh god, it's like slow motion. Fuck you. Uh-oh, I'm dead.
Oh my god!
Do you see it? Oh my god! Oh my gosh, alright, I'm gonna pause it. It stopped! It stopped! It started again!
Oh, just go!
Okay, it stopped. Dorns.
What the fuck was going through my brain?
You're getting electrocuted.
Go, 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 go!
Get out of here. It doesn't say anything, it's just dot dot dot. Ah!
Stupid.
No, 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 fuck.
Meow, 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 meow.
Say meow!
That's not working word. I'm gonna put meow in the video.
No!
I'm so stupid.
No, what are you doing?
Look at me. I'm gonna do a backflip. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dark. Wait, dude, you got to create your senpai. Oh, this is a new thing. Oh.
Oh yeah. I'll stay with this
Do
one.
white hair. Do white hair. Okay.
I'm good at this game, I swear it. Oh god. Oh god. Alright. No,
You do
I
it.
jump on your head, and then you get to the chopper. Fuck. Get off!
Go.
Right, go.
If you ever need a favor, text me a panty shot and I'll give you whatever support I can. And you actually get the text a panty shot.
Alright. Don't come out of hiding quite yet. I need to find where I'm gonna hide.
Okay.
Wait. You just turned out the light!
Oh shit! You scared the hell out of me! You did! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Good! She's planning to confess to
Come on, bitch. Sorry. Let's go. What? Did you see my mop fly? Alright, I'm gonna hide him in the corner.
I forgot how fun this was.
Oh my god. How could I do?
What the f-
What?
You saw that? I just like floated up.
Your arm was also like sitting there pulling that way. Oh my god, slow motion fuck you all over
I
again.
see it. What is going on with this game right now?
God, it stops right under. You're running right next to me!
Damn it, Chopper.
Jam it?
Jam it!
Jam it up! Wait, that's not what I meant to say. No.
Oh my god, that's it! That's it!
That's not it! That's not it! You're gonna fucking change it! I want it.
No! You bitch! That one definitely was going in.
I'm gonna go get your other 50 friends that I murdered in cold blood.
Where are
Alright,
you
2
putting
minutes.
them?
We can do this.
Yeah, because that's definitely gonna happen.
We
You have 1 minute left.
2 minutes, bitch.
No, 1 minute. Like right now, it's gonna turn to 1 minute.
Alright, we can do this. Fuck, I missed.
We can do this. Fuck. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Shit. You're gonna alert the teacher.
Come here, bitch. Fuck did she go? Oh god, teacher! Teacher, no one's in the tower!
She got you.
Alright, this is the last time I kill someone. Underwear is not black.
Okay, let me show you.
So I just went to class. It's lunchtime. Don't they go up to the roof during lunchtime? Hello, friends. Get out of my fucking way. What? Hey. Hey. You can't be in here. It's lunchtime.
Follow.
Figure out-
Follow. Right there. Oh, no, never mind. That's bye.
I can't. No, shit. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So
Just
I
kill
need
them all.
to-
Just go in rampage mode and kill them all.
I am not gonna go on rampage mode. I'm going to. Shit, I can't compliment them. Click E. Sorry, never mind. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Ah! Come on, friend. Come on, friend. Come on up, join me. Oh my god, what am I?
Shit.
Oh my god!
Make sure Senpai doesn't notice.
He said something.
You have to kill her. You have to. Oh shoot! They're gonna go. He's gonna go tell a teacher. He's gonna go tell a teacher. You need to. You need to run.
Okay. We'll go on the far end of the schoolyard.
Just saying that the teacher's gonna run out of the school. That's another new thing. The teacher runs out and tries to look for you, so you need to hurry up and burn those bodies, or else you're gonna get caught.
Burn the bodies? The fuck you mean? Where's my clothes?
Furnace.
Are there extra clothes here? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, she's right there! Bye!
No! You can change your hair. Miku-chan. Teto.
What the fuck? Cool.
And then I think they whoa. Those are new hairs. I've never seen those. You can have Korra's
This
hair.
is from
Korra.
that one anime. Oh god, I want this one.
Korra. And I think that if you
Love me now! Oh.
mode where you can turn a dragon.
Oh god.
Okay, try to kill someone and get caught, and then
How the fuck
see,
do I change?
and then
How do I change?
click slash again.
It won't work! We're screwed still!
Okay. Great start though.
I'm not okay. Not okay. It's not alright. much, Jack. Hooray! Bring me home again.
It looks like I'm dancing.
Come on, friend. Come on, friend. Come on up, join me. Oh. Oh my god, what? It's a bad too. What? What?
Am I the only one who saw that?
I saw that too. What?
I just like floated up.
Your arm was also like sitting there pulling. Oh my god, it's slow motion fuck you all over again.
I see it.
Oh. What the? Are you in here? Yeah, you are. Fuck!
Yeah, you are. Fuck. What's the matter, Fred?
Fred? Fuck! Ow! There's a setup! Get it!
We're cool. We're not cool.
What am I doing? I'm just like climbing on the wall.
Okay. I want to see that in your recording. And see what I could do it. Scream! Shout! I'm gonna shoot this! Please! No! No!
Oh my goodness! What was I doing? Why did I jump?
Look at me.
I started turning like I was.
I got it! No, I don't.
He's like my best friend.
Told it. Like, even for me, I think it's hilarious. I don't know why. What the f? Alright. I went from blank.
Bitch.
I went from bitch to bitch.
What the fuck?
Okay, I went from Africa to the complex geopolitical quagmire. Does that?
What the fuck?
Okay, blah blah blah. Have pained or panned?
And
Okay. No, it's panned.
Paid. Whatever.
Which one is it?
It doesn't matter.
It's panned.
So you can die.
Don't want to get caught.
Okay, go up to senpai. Go up to senpai.
No, I refuse.
Well, you're gonna be stuck like this then if you don't.
I didn't do anything!
Well, he's leaving.
Senpai!
He's
Senpai, don't go!
He's running.
Senpai! I didn't mean to. He's gonna tell the teacher. What the fuck? Senpai, stop! What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's probably at the gate. You better hurry up.
Senpai. Come back.
Once he goes to the gate, he ain't
I
going
swear
back.
Senpai, come here. No, come back. I swear I didn't do anything.